Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install TikTok application in your Windows laptop or PC, and this method works for Windows 10 and 11. So first you are going to click here in the search, and then you are going to type store, and you will find this option Microsoft Store. You open it, then here in the search bar you are going to type TikTok, then you click enter. You just wait for a second, and as you can see you will find the first option, the original one, and it is completely free. You just click here, and as you can see it is the original application. You just click on get and the installation will start. After it finishes, you can just, instead of the get button, you will see open button. You just click there, you log into your account, and you can use your TikTok in your PC, not your phone. And after you finish the installation, and if you didn't see it here in your desktop, you just click on the search, you type for TikTok here, you will find it, and you will find many options, like you can create a shortcut to appear here, or you just simply can pin it to taskbar and you will find it here down whenever you open your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.